Hey, this is Frank from Max Digital, and I saw that you were advertising in the Raleigh area, your plumbing service, and so I wanted to make this video because I see a great opportunity for you to take market share from your top online competitor. This is an absolutely free attack plan that I do to help small businesses. There's no obligation to purchase anything from me. I send these out because some business owners see the value of the information provided, but are just too busy to implement the ideas themselves. However, you are free to take this free attack plan and implement the strategies yourself as you see fit. So let's get started. So when I do a search for plumbers in Raleigh, North Carolina, this is the search results page that comes up. And I think we can all agree that users are going to click a business 90% of the time. They're going to click a business that falls on the first page of Google and won't move on to the second and subsequent pages. So aside from giving Google advertising dollars to get into this top section, the first thing you can do to increase your online presence is to become one of these 3 or 4 businesses that appears in what's known as the Google Map Pack, which is the second section of the Google search page. To become one of these few businesses listed, in addition to making sure your profile is fully optimized, you will need to look and see how many online directories your competitors are listed in, and make sure your business has roughly 100 more listings or so than they actually have. We use an online tool called WhiteSpark that scours the internet and identifies how many directories each business is registered with. There are literally thousands of directories you can register your business with, including yellowpages.com, Yelp, the BBB, and Angie's List, just to name a few. Many of the directories are free to join. You just have to take the time to enter in your business information onto their website. So this brings me to the third section of the Google search results page, known as the organic listings. And once you get past these directories, you can see actual business websites starting to show up here. And so Midtown Plumbing is the #1 ranked plumbing website in the Raleigh area. Google's ranking for this section is purely based on the strength of your website. Google ranks based on both content and backlinks. So the second tip I wanted to mention has to do with content. So if I click over to your site here again, I can see you have some content. You have some good pictures. I clicked the call button here at the top, which is great. But as far as looking at your analytics behind your website here, I use a tool called SEO Quake. And when I scroll down, I can see that you have about 843 words on your homepage. Usually you need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google or to be considered an authoritative site. So you guys have about half of that, a little more than half of that. By contrast, your competitor, Midtown Plumbing, when I look at their analytics, I can see they have actually a little less than you, less than half of what Google would be looking for here. So that's very beatable. You can easily add more content to your site to be seen by Google as the expert. But in addition to the number of words, a very important piece of content is that it be dense with local buyer intent keywords, the words people are actually frequently typing into the Google search bar. The more these keywords are mentioned in your content, the more relevant Google will see your site to the search phrases. So I use another tool called Ahrefs to look at keywords. And so I see that you're ranking for 37 keywords. And so when I click on that, I can see the keyword phrases that you're currently ranking for. I can see that the keyword phrases that you are ranking for oftentimes have your name in it, WeatherMaster. In this case, you get the service or one of your services that you offer. Here I see your name with the city. What I don't see in these top keywords that you're ranking for is the full local buyer intent keyword phrase. So where it lists the service that somebody might be searching for and the location. So look, to contrast what you have here, let's take a look at what Midtown Plumbing has. They're ranking for 300 keywords, and these are the top ones here. You could see they've got the service and they've got the location and different variations of it. So here they added the NC to the phrase. Basically any variation that a searcher might type into that search box. And you can see they are ranking in the top 5 for all of these keyword phrases. And you can also see the search volume per month. So you can see plumbing in Raleigh is 1,100 searches per month. And so if you looked at all of these and you add them all together, you're talking about a couple thousand searches per month for a plumber in the Raleigh area. So if that is a service that you and an area that you are looking to expand in, it's going to be a matter of adding these keyword phrases to your content, beefing up your content to be up to that 1,500 words. Okay, so then the final area that I wanted to touch upon today has to do with backlinks. And backlinks are merely links from other websites over to your site. These backlinks act as an endorsement of your site by that other site. They give power to your site because these endorsements tell Google that your site can be trusted. The goal is to have more backlinks than your competitor, but the quality of your backlinks also matter. The more relevant the site that your links come from, the greater strength it lends to your power in Google's rankings. So here it looks like it's probably a matter of just the sheer number of how many backlinks you have, because your site has 3 backlinks coming from 2 referring domains, whereas your competitors have 733 coming from 60 referring domains. Now, just to be clear, this is related to your plumbing site, so you can see it's not your main or root domain, it's the plumbing piece of it which you're trying to rank for, or if you're trying to rank for. So let's just back up and just summarize what we talked about here. So we talked about your Google business profile and how you want to register your business with as many online directories as possible and at least beat your competitor by about 100. We talked about content and how you want to have at least 1,500 words to be considered an expert by Google, as well as targeting the local buyer intent keywords as much as possible within that content. So adding the service and the location to your content, whether it be in the words or in the pictures that you can embed the words in, or in the back end alt text that is kind of behind the scenes. And then lastly, we talked about backlinks and how you want to have as many relevant sites pointing to you guys as possible to show Google that you are an authority. If you implement these strategies, you can be number 1 across Google in whatever service you're providing and in whatever city you want to provide that service. So again, you can either take this information and implement the strategies on your own, which I'm totally cool with. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can reply to my email and we'll set up a time to discuss in more detail. I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.